So first of all, we want to go to the Penny Hydraulics website. And when we're there, we want to have a look at the Configurator drop down here. Now the Configurator will ask you to log in. You only need to do this once. Once you've done this the first time, your details will be stored and remembered for future visits to the Configurator. So quite quickly, I'm just going to give it some information. And then I just need to click on this little tick box here. And we start the configurator. Now the configurator starts off by offering us 3 different vehicle types. We have vans, flatbeds or drop size as you might know them, and trailers. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to select a van. So what type of lift do I require? Is that a load lift? So something that we can put onto a loading platform and load into a van, or a swing lift, a crane that can help us lift items which are further away. Again, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to select swing lift. And quite simply here, I just need to select what sort of weight I will be lifting. We have 0 to 250 kilograms, or 251 to 500. These are the sort of weight ranges that you'd expect for this vehicle type. I'm going to go ahead and select 251 to 500, and this screen asks us which reach that we'd require. We've got a choice between up to 1.5 meters or up to 2 meters. Again, pick the selection that suits your needs, but I'm going to click on the 1.1 to 1.5 meters. This screen here asks us to select which position we'd like a crane to be mounted in. Now this is quite important because this will affect the overall finish to your vehicle. We have positions at the front, rear and side. Again, important to know which side your side door is on and which way that your rear door is open. I'm going to select this position here because that's quite common. And then quite simply, I have a suggestion. The configurator is suggesting that I might look at the swing lift FV500 van type. There is a little bit of information here about the swing lift FV500, or I can click on view more to go to that web page. Just close that down. There is more information here, including brochures, specification, O&M manuals and dimensional drawings, etc. We can click on view images so we can actually see that product and how it may be used and how it's been installed in other vehicles. We can click through to request a quotation, or we can click to request a demonstration. Other suggestions down here, so we don't have to look at the FV500. If we think that that may not be appropriate, we can have a look at other suggestions. The ML500SB, so the short boom, is also suggested in this instance, and again we click view and we're through to that information. If we do click on request a demonstration, the UK is split into 2 different areas. There is north and south. If I click on south, then I will get Steve Brackstone. He is our area sales manager for vehicle mounted lifting equipment, and he would then be notified to get in touch with us within the next working day or so to discuss the potential of a demonstration. I hope this helps you to understand how the configurator works. As you can see, it's a really easy to use and innovative tool which can help you to specify cranes or loading platforms quickly and easily without the need to speak to anybody at Penny Hydraulics, or if you have a customer facing you who has some questions, of course you can run them through the configurator and make suggestions based on these recommendations. Not to say though that help is not at hand at Penny Hydraulics. you are more than welcome to give us a call, and our friendly sales team will be happy to assist you.